Marine iguanas can be very territorial and aggressive. That is no wonder why Charles Darwin named them the sea demons of the Galapagos. Tortoises in Galapagos are unique only to the Galapagos. Galapagos tortoises are cute as babies and can live up to 180 years. There are 3 different kinds of tortoises. The first type is the saddleback. The saddleback tortoise has a tall shell that is used for getting to tall vegetation. Then there is the dome-shaped. The dome-shaped is the average tortoise shell that I am wearing right now. The last is the flat shell, which is used for getting low vegetation. All these tortoises are located in the Galapagos, and so far 28 species have been discovered. The interesting thing about tortoises is that their shells act as a skeleton. As you can see, there's a rib cage in here, so there must be no bones inside. They also like to wade in pools, such as this one, to keep cool.
How do I know?
The Galapagos tortoise's diet consists of cacti, grasses, leaves, vines, and fruit. Its favorite fruit is the poison apple. Birds were the first things to go to the Galapagos. Charles Darwin was very interested in the birds from the Galapagos. They come in all shapes and sizes. Charles Darwin was able to examine 13 different types of finches and many more. Flamingo, probably the biggest bird besides the heron, uses its mouth to get krill from the water. Apparently, this finch's diet consists of Oreo cookies. No, this is not a pterodactyl. This is a frigate bird. Frigate birds are always high in the sky because they are trying to scavenger from other birds. They are trying to do this because they cannot swim in water because they are too big and clumsy to get out. Another famous bird in the Galapagos is the blue-footed booby. Blue-footed boobies are unique because I have never seen such a bright blue on any other living animal. Our trip to the Galapagos was a trip of a lifetime. We had fun and I learned and played a lot. I made new friends and now have a better understanding about our environment. Geography, geology, and the oceans all work together to create a unique environment that enabled animals to live, including penguins, seals, birds, tortoises, and iguanas, just to mention a few. There was a t-shirt for sale on the islands that quoted Charles Darwin that I really liked. I liked it because I could see it in action in the Galapagos. He said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change."